Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Swann camera keeps going offline again and again, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you need to follow. So Swann cameras work in two different ways. Some connect to a DVR or NVR system, while others connect directly to Wi-Fi. So if you are using a DVR or NVR, just make sure that the recorder is online. You need to check the Ethernet cable and the internet connection. You can also try restarting the recorder. If the recorder goes offline, all of the cameras will also show offline. Now, if your camera is Wi-Fi based, you can use a strong and stable 2.4 GHz network. Avoid using the dual band auto switching or smart connection. Also check the signal strength in the application. If the signal strength is weak, you can move the router closer, or you can also use a Wi-Fi extender. The weak signal is one of the major causes of the frequent disconnections. Now, in 2026, routers often change the device IP address automatically. This particular thing can also cause camera to disconnect from the application. So in order to fix it, simply go to your router's settings. Then you need to simply assign a static IP, or you need to basically assign it a static DHCP reservation to your camera or recorder. So this keeps the connection stable. If your camera keeps restarting, it will go offline. So you can check the power adapter, wiring connections, and the voltage stability. For outdoor cameras, also check the weather damage. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can also do a quick reset. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button on your camera. After that, when the camera is in the connection mode, you just have to simply start connecting it from the scratch. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.